Okay, what we got here is a Fram XG8A. This fits my 97 Explorer. I cut it apart, and very solid base, silicone drain back valve, very nice. And this filter media is very thick looking. It looks like it would catch a lot of stuff. It would never tear. This, this is like strong stuff. There's no way you'd ever tear this. It's just too strong. It's too strong. I'm pulling it with my hands, my fingers here, and yeah, it's very strong, very well made. And I don't know, they're like 99% at 20 microns, I think. And you got this bypass valve, which I'm not a big fan of these leaf spring bypass valves, but it looks okay. So that being said, the filter looks pretty good. It has this textured material on it here, so you can grab it with your hands and to put it on instead of using a wrench. And I don't know. This is a really very good filter. It's very good. They're like $8 or something, I guess. But very good filter. I would not use any other. I would only use these, the Fram Ultras. I wouldn't use their regular, the low-cost orange filters. They seem to have too many problems with those. But this one here is this is a very well-made filter, and your car would have no problem with this filter. You could probably go like 20,000 miles on this filter, and it would never have no problems. It might clog up, maybe in 20,000, but I wouldn't go that far anyways. But do your regular OCI, and you're all set. Okay, if put your comments down below if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.